Hello, kid! Welcome to Children's Excavator Construction Vehicle Series cartoon. Look at Rainbow Slope with fire trucks on it. Cranes and cement mixer. Their current color is white. The first fire truck goes down the red slide. He entered the red pool. The fire engine turned red. The second crane went down the yellow slide. He entered the yellow pool. The crane turned yellow. The last one. The cement mixer goes down the green slide. He enters the green pool. The white cement mixer truck turns green. That's great. The money and the box goes, it's a tractor. Where is he going? Be careful of the mud puddles ahead. The tractor got stuck in the mud. He can't come up. What do you do? Fire truck. The crane and cement mixer truck happen to pass by. They can bring the tractor up. Move on back. The driver on the bus says move on. The crane holds the tractor with a hook. The tractor was rescued. Thank you, crane. The tractor is a bit dirty. The fire truck is bleeding him. The tractor is happy. Fire truck continued to wash away the mud in the mud pit. It's a big hole. It's the cement mixer's turn. He's pouring concrete inside the pit. Wow, the road is fixed. Vehicles can now move normally. That's great. Which nobody can deny. Which nobody can deny. A trailer pulled out of the garage. The trailer arrived at the warehouse. The warehouse door is open. The trailer carries the shelves to the car. What are they for? The trailer is leaving. There are a lot of stones. The trailer has stopped. He arranged the shelves in a row. Construction is required here. A big bulldozer pulls out of the garage. The second one was also a push machine. It's smaller. It's your mixer that sets off. The construction vehicles have arrived. What are the construction vehicles going to build today? Big bulldozers remove stones and tree stumps. The stone was pushed into the river. Soon the big rocks were removed. The little bulldozer starts to push the soil to build the foundation. Soon the little bulldozer pushed the foundation. The cement mixer truck is pouring concrete. The cement floor is ready. The dump truck exits the garage. electrical equipment. Dumper departure. The dump truck is installing a motor, pulleys, and struts. His name is my daughter. Where are the construction trucks going? Whenever we go. Oh, they went straight across the river. There are many houses on the hillside. The mountain also needs to build a pillar. The little bulldozer pushes the dirt again. Mixer truck continues to pour concrete. Next, install the equipment and pulleys. All the struts and ropes are installed. It turns out that the construction vehicles are loading the trailer has brought the medicine cabinet. Now we put the medicine cabinet on the cable car. The cable car can quickly transport medicine up the mountain. The cable car can not only transport goods quickly, people can also take the cable car up and down the mountain. It makes people's lives easier. Well done, construction vehicle friends are awesome. Dump truck walking down the street. Where is he going? Be careful, there's a speed bump here. Oh, the dump truck didn't see the speed bump. He ran into a wall. Oops, the trunk of the dump truck fell off. He's on fire. Come and put out the fire. You give your hand to shake, shake, shake and turn your hands. Here we go loop-de-loo. Here we go loop-de-loud. Here we go loop-de-loo. On a Saturday night, the police car was calling for help. The garage of the construction vehicle opened. This is a red fire engine. Fire truck departs. Crane departure. The fire truck is putting out the fire with a water cannon. The fire was put out. Thank you, fire truck. The crane lifted the dump truck. He needs to reinstall the wheels. On one side are 3 wheels. There are 6 wheels in total. Hello, blue comes when I blow my horn, oh blue. And then finally, you have to put the cars back in place. Look, the dump truck is not repaired. He can go now. Thank you. The crane is great.